Hi, this is Vejdi Avsar from Vejdi Avsar Fine Furniture. We are looking at three-way MITER joint. This one has the tenon, mortise and tenon. They meet the legs with the 45-degree angle. It was 35 years ago when I was studying advanced craft furniture making in London. This was my first attempt to make a joint using hand tools, and being ambitious, I picked this joint. In fact, I have to tell you that I couldn't finish it. However, it's such an elegant and beautiful. It requires precision. 34 years later, I decided to make a dining table using this joint because design requires from outside simplicity. Inside is a complex joint, and in fact it's a craftsman's signature. And this joint is being used in China between 14th to 17th century in the Ming dynasty, and still used in a high-end furnitures. If any of you decide to make such a table or showcase or coffee table, there are certain things that I would recommend you to consider. Since this is the joints are mitered to the legs, the rails are so in my case that I am going to be using rift sawn walnut, that I would like to emphasize the joint, and the top is going to be flat sawn, quite figured walnut. And I'm hoping the emphasized craftsmanship as well as the respect to wood itself. I didn't want to sort of one dominate the other one, so it's as if like a nice marriage between craftsmanship and the wood itself. So there are certain things that consider to make this job, this dining table, look much more elegant than if those considerations not being considered in first place. To making these, it's going to be a combination of machines and hand tools. Most of my furnitures are anyway. You can see here is the X-ray vision. It's a lovely mortise and tenon meet each other with a 45-degree angle. It's these are all hidden, obviously no one is going to see it. However, and this will be craftsman's signature, as I said before. And one of the most difficult thing in my craftsman life that I find, making something simple but elegant. So this joint will give me opportunity to do that, and most probably I will be start working on this one and very soon. In fact, I have the rendering done as well. So I hope you're going to find this one informative, and if you have any question, please drop it on the comment. I will respond to you. As I said, my whole purpose on this one to inform you, whoever wants to have a go in this joint. Thank you for watching.